What's going on? This is Tony. We are here at the Crowne Plaza in Zurich, and I'm doing a quick overview on this hotel, how I booked it, how I got it for free, all right? And just a little overview. Let me just tell you, the absolute amazing spa slash workout area is freaking awesome. Everything included. So stay tuned. This is one of the main streets. You go right down there and there's the tram and the bus stop. It's about a 4-minute walk. Great location. And this is the outside. It doesn't look amazing from the outside, but the inside is definitely nice. So let's go in and look at it. All right, so they were playing FIFA World Cup stuff last night. Lounge areas over here, main walk-in. So this does have an on-site, 2 on-site restaurants. It does have room service. Some rooms include breakfast, some don't. So when you're booking, make sure you look at that. It does have an amazing gym. The gym access for this is probably the biggest selling point for me, because you get full use of this gigantic, called Homes Place Premium Fitness Clubs, and they have saunas, steam rooms, everything. Outdoor patios, pool, full weight room. So this is definitely a big draw for me. If I come back, I'm going to try to stay here, because I spent 3 hours in that spa weight room area, and I couldn't bring my camera in there, so I did some stuff with my phone. I'm going to see if it works, transferring over so you can see what it looked like. But showers, pool, gym is freaking awesome. Everything you could possibly need is a full working gym. So it's a full gym. They have classes and stuff. I don't know if that's included when you do when you're renting a room, but they have steam rooms, saunas, and outdoor terrace, pool, everything like that. So I don't have my big camera. I'm on my phone, so it's crappy quality, but I can't film everything for privacy stuff. But this gym alone is worth coming here. Having access to this, especially like I love to work out in sauna and stuff like that. So I'm about to sauna and stuff for about an hour, then I'm gonna hit the road for the mountains. So if you ever come to Europe, you know, the rooms are pretty small, stuff like that. This room is, I would say, an average size European room. It has all the amenities that you can need though, so I'm extremely pleased. The big thing is it has a super hot shower, and it has air conditioning, which is really, really nice. Oh, let's see if we can see the outdoor seating area over there. So all that is part of the Homes Plate Fitness Club, and you can use all. All right, so let me tell you how I booked this. I actually have the IHG credit card, and you get 1 free night. Now it is capped at a max amount of points, so you can use, look at my other playlists and you can see how to use this and maximize it. This was a pretty expensive room, but I saved my voucher for it and I was able to use it. I've also been able to do like the Ritz and stuff like that with the free night vouchers as well from the credit cards. Normally this would be like $250 to $300 for this weekend for the 1 night. So I was able to get it for free, so that's pretty nice. $95 is how much the card costs and you get a bunch of points, perks, whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, so that's how I booked this one, but this is I would say, budget-friendly one here in Zurich. And I'm pretty pleased. About 18 minutes to get from the train station here, 25 minutes if you want to go to the airport. So not a bad location. Also super easy to get around here with their public transportation. So here's my room. Let's go in now. Just so you know, I have already been staying here, so the room is kind of a wreck, but the staff was super nice, friendly, and accommodating. So there we go, we got espresso maker. We do have up here my favorite, robes and slippers, so that's a nice touch. Iron, fridge, safe. Here's the room, good TV, nice little desk set up. Bed was very comfortable. Here's more of the outdoor area. And like I said,
full gym. The gym is the draw here, and the pool, an indoor pool, sauna, outdoor lounge area with a cold like plunge thing. Not really a cold plunge, I don't know. It was amazing. So lighting's good, bathroom, big shower for Europe, nice amenities and stuff here. So anyway, this is the Crowne Plaza here in Zurich. I hope you like this review. Hit that subscribe button. Follow me for some more. I do hotel reviews, also travel stuff. I'm going to be doing a whole entire Zurich playlist, so go subscribe and then go look at that playlist if you're coming here. I've got a whole bunch of playlists, so just go check them out. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Later.